Meteorologist Matthew East here. This is the March 25th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. What a wonderful day we had yesterday. It was just gorgeous. Sunshine and 70s out there. Today still going to be pretty mild, but a lot more in the way of especially high-level cloud cover and our next rain chance sort of knocking on our door. Let me show you the radar this morning, and we've got some pockets of heavy rain through parts of north and central Alabama and Mississippi. Back in Arkansas, Louisiana, and extreme eastern Texas. In fact, some rumbles of thunder involved with that activity as well. Some wind damage around Shreveport, Louisiana, and the surrounding areas overnight last night. And at the point I'm cutting this video, thunderstorms moving through Houston, Texas. And that activity is all developing off to the east. Now, ahead of the rain, we have a lot of relatively thin high-level cloud cover this morning. That's what you see on the satellite imagery here across most of our region. The clouds are going to get thicker with time as we go into the day, and this all sort of advances east and northeast and in our direction. Now, I think most of us across the North Carolina Piedmont are going to squeeze in a dry day today through the daylight hours. Now, I can't completely rule out a late day shower, but certainly the best shower chances will occur from this evening and then through the overnight hours tonight. That's a look at the GFS, 2 o'clock this afternoon, and the action still off to our west at that point in time. There's the convective outlook, day one convective outlook, slight risk of severe weather covering a good chunk of Mississippi and western Alabama as we go throughout the course of the day today. Some degree of a tornado threat there, albeit fairly limited. Greater chance of some damaging wind gusts and maybe some hail with some of the activity that develops in that region today. Let's go out to 2 a.m. Friday morning. And again, like I mentioned, it'll be around the Carolina Piedmont. It'll be this evening and tonight when the best chance of shower activity will occur. And could see a shower lingering very early in the day tomorrow. But I think as we get toward afternoon, the rain chance will be over tomorrow. And it'll be a day that will probably feature high temperatures occurring tomorrow morning and then falling temperatures as we get into tomorrow afternoon. And like I've been mentioning for a couple of days, this is true Arctic air that'll be situated in the Great Lakes and the New England states, and that's going to sort of bleed down our way as we begin to see tomorrow afternoon unfold and continuing into Saturday. All right, speaking of Saturday, I think we see a lot of sunshine, but it'll be a cooler day. We probably start off the day Saturday with lows pretty close to freezing in a number of spots, and then highs mid to a lot of upper 50s probably Saturday afternoon. Then our next system quickly rolling our way. This is Sunday afternoon. This is actually valid 8 o'clock in the evening Sunday, but that's the precip that occurs from 2 to 8 p.m. Sunday. So it looks like we could even start off the day Sunday with some light rain, and then certainly rain develops in as we go through the day Sunday. And then question marks arise. This is what the GFS looks like at 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday. Dry. That's the GFS, but some big differences here. This is what the upper air chart, 500 millibars, looks like on the GFS. And contrast that with the European, same exact time. This is 8 a.m. Monday morning. What a difference. A European with a closed 500 millibar low back in parts of Kentucky, Indiana, and Tennessee. The GFS, again, much, much different. Sort of a phase trough that's sweeping out at that point in time. So if the European is right, it'll look much different than this. The European would have rain lingering into a good chunk of Monday. So what I've done with this morning's forecast package, again, is I've left clouds in Monday. I'm still mentioning some shower chances for Monday. But just keep in mind if the GFS is right, Monday probably winds up dry. Let's go back to the GFS. The models are in pretty good agreement that as we get into, let's see, there's Wednesday. Well, actually, this is Tuesday. By later Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll see a lot of sunshine building in, and we'll see milder temperatures moving back in, probably back into the 70s for highs. If not by Wednesday, then by Thursday of next week. And I want to show you one little snapshot here. This is what the GFS does out there deeper into the medium range. This is out to April the 2nd, 8 a.m. And there's our old friend, the Bermuda High, showing up for a period of time. So the GFS actually doesn't bring any rain in again after the early week system next week until the 4th or 5th of April. So maybe a prolonged stretch of dry weather if the GFS winds up being correct. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day on this Thursday, and God bless.